A primetime news follow-up now. Mining Minister Robert Montague has conceded that communication has been poor in relation to the impact of mining and other activities threatening areas outside the Cockpit country boundary. Speaking at his post-sectoral press briefing on Thursday, Mr. Montague said in coming weeks, various teams will be visiting the area to assess the situation.
We will admit, again I will be the first to admit, that the communication with the people in the communities and the people on the ground since the Prime Minister announced the proposed boundaries has not been very good. And we intend to correct that and to engage more persons in the communities. The Forestry Department has been tasked to identify the boundaries of the protection area on the ground, and they are doing so. The area is 74,000 hectares. It's not a small area. It's a huge area. And citizens are still expressing concerns, and this government and this minister has undertaken to listen to the citizens and to be guided by their concerns, because we serve the people of Jamaica and we take their concerns as priority.
Yesterday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness toured the Cockpit country. Meanwhile, with similar complaints from residents in St. Elizabeth about dust nuisance from the Gisco Alpart plant, Mr. Montague says this will be improved starting this month.
We have had discussions as far away as in China with Gisco, and they have committed that starting this month they will start a program to relocate some families who are within the exclusion zone, and then they are also moving to cover a section of the mud lake and to introduce a new bit of technology to turn so that the soil can be dried and to keep it in the stackable form. So that a gentleman has been assigned as senior director of Gisco, who is to be here in Jamaica by the middle of June, and he has been given charge to treat with the dust nuisance.